Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's talk about this Bitmart exchange and some of the latest event in Bitmart exchange and even all around the world. So let's stay tuned. To start this off, this is Bitmart exchange on my screen. Whoever don't have an account yet in Bitmart, I will put down my link at the description below so you guys can register an account in Bitmart. Before even I talk about Bitmart, this exchange platform, let's talk about this upcoming event, which is Token 2049 happening in Singapore this week. So whoever is going over to Singapore, make sure to join this event because I think this event will bring a lot of value to you. So there is projects there is VCs there is investors there, there is OGs there are many crypto players will be there joining. Even you can see all the big players like Vitalik, the co-founder of Ethereum, CEO or founder of Abra, everybody will be there. Even Charles Hoskinson, Cardano will be there also. So, but these tickets are slightly, I would say, expensive. If you want to see, right, let me show you a little bit how costly it is, because it's so much value. The price of the ticket to get into token 2049 is up to $1,499 per ticket per entry. It's ridiculous expensive. Okay, so if you are type of people that are big fans of crypto, go ahead and join this event. Go ahead and go attend this event. And also, I think F1 Formula 1 is around that date as well. So there will be crypto events and also F1 events. So the hotel and the flight gonna be expensive as all right. So token 2049 is awesome. If you do want to join this token 2049, you can also go to all the after party events as well. So after party events is like hosted by other projects that are going in, especially Bitmart are organizing their own after party events. So this is actually the Bitmart Crypto Night Token 2049 after party event. The time and the date will be September 28th, which is 2 more days later, 6 to 10 p.m. at Hanoi, Singapore. Okay, so the co-host will be Bitmart crossover with Bitgear, sponsored by, you can see all the sponsors here: Gravities, 10 Bushi Capital, TechCon, RNS, and so on and so forth. As you can see, supported media. There are medias that are going there as well. And if you want to know more details about it, there will be a QR code here where you can scan to join the event or join the Telegram channel as well. Okay, so this will be one of the after party event. There are actually a list of other party events, so if you guys want to go there, make sure to find out all these list of after party events so you can hop around within party to party, so you're gonna party all night long. Okay, so let's get back to Bitmart. What's so special about Bitmart? So if you guys don't know what is Bitmart, okay, let me share a little bit here on the CoinGecko. So this is the list of exchanges, the top ranking of exchanges. You can see the Binance will be the top one. And if you scroll all the way down, Bitmart is actually ranked 19. So you can see the trading volume is about 1.5 billion, which is not bad. And it has about almost 800 over tokens available to trade at Bitmart. So this is something very interesting. Not just that, it has about right now about 9 million registered users. It even went up to like 7.3 billion daily trading volume as well. So which is crazily high. And of course, the most important thing, right? Bitmart is actually compliance to 18 states within United States. So they have 18 licenses and they have 800 over tokens for you to trade. It's a huge variety where you can choose whatever tokens that you like, go into Bitmart and find it and purchase it, keep it, or to do staking or to do trading as well. Okay, so talking about their founders, the founder of Bitmart is actually Sheldon Xia. So if you want to follow his Twitter, I'll put down the link at description below as well. So this is Sheldon Xia. He is actually the CEO. Since 2013, he's already in the Bitcoin era. So if you want to know more about exchanges, this is the exchanges information of the MSB license, the FinCEN, all these licensing of Bitmart. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit of what's happening in Bitmart. What are the latest events that you can catch up? There is 3 that I will recommend you guys. Of course, if there is more, go ahead and join this because all these events are helpful to you. So first event will be deposit and trade to share up to 500,000 Tron TRX and 10 Bitmart vote to earn NFT and drop. So you can see this is the latest event. It's from 22nd of September all the way to 30th of September. So it's very easy. Just deposit and trade and you'll be able to win all these prizes. Simple as that, just follow accordingly to what they mentioned. So second event will be join the Bitmart vote to earn program to get exclusive airdrop. So you can see this is another event where you can purchase vote earn and you can follow the terms and condition. This will be another event, latest event happening right now in Bitmart. So it's happening from 19th of September all the way to 19th of September 2023. So it's about 1 year time. This is crazy. So if you want to know more, feel free to check out this join the Bitmart vote to earn program to get exclusive drops. Alright, the last but not least will be the World Trading Champion League. So this will be another event. So the event will be starting at 26th of September all the way to 24th of October. So it started today. So the price is winning at the first prize is 10,000, 5,000, 2,005, 200, and 100. And the lucky draw that you can get is iPhone 14 Pro, which is I managed to get one today, iPhone 14 Pro Max. To eligible to participate in this competition, you must have 300 or more in your futures trading wallet. During competition, all participating user must achieve at least 50,000 trading volume to eligible for the prize. Very easy, I think. 3,000 is nothing, right? You just buy and sell 25,000. Simple as that. When you buy 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 5 times, it's definitely that. That's all. So there is also KY and users. I think that one will belongs to me. And of course, there is the P&L ratio ranking. When you have a higher P&L, of course, your name will be here. That's something that you're proud of. And you can see the event rules here and there. You can read up by yourself because I will put all this link down below. Okay, so all these are all different events, and it's up to you whether you want to join them or you just want to leave it. It's up to you because these events are optional. It's just a free airdrop or a free USDT for you when you achieve something in this Bitmart exchange. And of course, this lucky prize iPhone 14 is randomly select, so it's something for you to take note at least. Last but not least, let me go through a little bit what is Bitmart. Bitmart actually offers similar exchange to all the exchanges where they offer standards trading, advanced margin. You can even trade in futures, USDM, CoinM. You can even do flexible saving, staking like dual investment, NFT. They even have launchpad, vote listing, institution API referral program, affiliate program, broker program, task center, and even trading competition. So all these are actually quite straightforward, and I think that for my point of view, I think this is pretty standard, where most of the exchanges have this the order book on the left side, and you can see the chart on the middle, and then you can find the search bar on the right side. It's pretty standard. So if you ask me, I think it's worth trying off, because since I don't have KYC right now, I cannot do futures, but you get the picture of how Bitmart should work. Alright, so I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Remember, if you are in Singapore, remember to join this event. Remember, take note this event, take more pictures. I should be going actually. I was invited to most of the after party events, but due to a little bit too expensive, not so worthy for me, so I decided to temporarily skip this event. Because if you know me, right, if you know me well, most of the events I will actually go and join, like Bali event, like I just came back from Bangkok event. So this is Singapore event. I feel a little bit tired here and there, so I'm gonna be resting in Malaysia a while. Alright, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, goodbye.